Good PM. Today is Tuesday, November 7, 2023. And here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs or 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Here are the SLs or 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for November 7, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.